Good morning, sir. You're Christopher Davis. Mr. Davis, did you get someone hired?
I brought the 3 pieces of the 3 attorneys.
Who'd you talk to?
Talked to this person right here, Crenshaw.
Okay.
I was trying to get a court-appointed attorney.
What other 2 did you talk to?
Mitchell Woods and Brad Jones Jr.
You actually talked to those people?
Talked to Crenshaw's office, but I couldn't get a hold of him. I mean, he was supposed to call me back, but I thought I was going to get a court-appointed attorney.
Well, when you were here last time, I told you had to work on trying to hire your own lawyer, and you needed to actually speak with 3 lawyers.
Yes, ma'am.
So, where's this Mitchell Woods?
I didn't speak to him. I just spoke to the one, but I was supposed to bring 3 attorneys up here for you.
No, it's not just I'm going to write down 3 names. I said go talk to 3 attorneys, at least 3 attorneys, and try to hire them. It's not just I'm going to give you 30 days and you come back and you write down some names, because Mitchell Woods is probably Clint Mitchell Woods, who is a judge down the hall. So you didn't talk to him as a lawyer. Brack Jones has been retired for many, many years, doesn't practice law. So you didn't do what I asked you to do. Hang on. You didn't do what I asked you to do. And so the result of that is I could put you in jail for not following the court order. It's hire a lawyer. If you don't hire one, you better start calling this week actual lawyers that practice law and make appointments and visit with them. All right? Because I've been here a long time. I know who the lawyers are around here, so you're not going to get one over me by just writing down some names. Step in front of the clerk and get the reset notice. Good morning, sir. What made you think that was a good shirt to wear to court this morning? That's all you could find? That's all, the only shirt you had in your closet? Harder. That's great. No, it says, I can read it. I see what it says at the bottom. You're in felony court. You need to dress appropriately to felony court, and that's not appropriate. Did you get someone hired? I can't hear you. Okay. Okay, who else you talk to? I can't hear you. Okay. All right, so why didn't you call some others if they didn't call you back? None of them, I don't believe that for a second. None of them answered their phone? Okay. How many others did you call? I can't hear you. That's it. So you called 2 that didn't answer their phone, 1 that didn't call you back, and you didn't think to keep calling and talk to at least 3. You didn't try if you only did that. This isn't that hard. The point isn't, just like you just heard me tell the other guy, the point isn't to play a game and act like you call and write 3 names down. The point is to actually hire someone. And you can't actually hire someone unless you really try. I'm going to reset your case for 30 days. You need to get someone hired, or you need to actually talk to 3 lawyers. And if you have to call 20 to get that done, then call 20. Start this week. Don't wait till the week before court, because they are in court. These are just normal common sense things, right? All right, step in front of the clerk. If you don't do that, the next time your bond will be revoked and you'll go back to jail. Mr. Mack, your attorney's not going to be here this morning, but I need to talk to you about why you can't keep your drug patch on. Why can't you keep your drug patch on? Everybody that has a drug patch sleeps on it. All right? So this has been going on now for quite some time. I'm going to have you tested this morning. You've tested negative in court, but if you don't keep...
This is what...
So you need to figure out, ask them what you need to do, but nobody has had as many issues as you with this drug patch. Do you understand? Have a seat in the jury box. We'll get you tested. So you tested negative. Do you have the patch on right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'll return tomorrow.
All right. I want you to go get it changed. I do not want it to look like that the next time you go in there. If you have to put something else around it, then that's what you need to do. Wrap it in an ace bandit. I don't care what you have to do. But that one's probably not going to be testable, just like the rest of them. So this is your last option to have one that looks like that. Figure it out or your bond's going to be raised. Understand? Step in front of, you don't need to get reset, right?
Set on the trial.
Stay in touch with Mr. Kimler, and then we'll see you back at your next court date. You're free to go. All right. Good morning, sir. How are you? Good. And you're Mason Crooks? And Mr. Crooks, you're on probation for theft of property, a third-degree felony. And I received an administrative hearing. So you've been charged with, it looks like another offense of assault, family violence, maybe? But it looks like they're not pursuing that. Is that still the position? Are you working? Why aren't you working?
The state takes my driver's license away because I take seizure medicine.
So do you not live anywhere where you could get to a job?
Job applications out to the tire shop in our house to where I can work now. We haven't had a program.
West. Any west?
It has, and we can ask Mr. Burrow, it has been a problem.
You owe so much money. I mean,
He's afraid I wasn't going to be able to get caught up either.
I know. I mean,
Maybe so.
Financial.
The other man's gonna file property when it gets finally cleared, for now the bulldozer's scared.
I think the thing of it is, Judge, is that, Mr. Crooks, he's been on probation for 2.5 years, being courtesy supervisor over in Orange County, and he seems to be coming up
Did you catch that? Every excuse.
with the offense that is his uncle.
Right.
And so we submitted an order of amended conditions, so, just.
the no contact, I got that. Have there been any other issues since the no contact, since that was signed?
So, not since the no contact was signed. We had an issue with walking by the uncle's house, and the uncle called into the probation department over in Orange County, reporting them saying that, he's taunting or whatnot. And I advised Mr. Crooks to take another route instead of just going by the.
How far apart do y'all live? So why would you have been walking by his house?
I had to walk through the neighborhood to get to my direction of home.
From Orange to Mauriceville?
Yes, ma'am.
I bet there's a number,
Yeah, there's,
any number of other ways that you can go if you're walking from Orange to Mauriceville instead of in front of your uncle's house, who we're having all these issues with.
yes, ma'am.
That's,
Um,
do you
made
understand?
a mistake.
Well, but you keep making mistakes, and your mistake's gonna cost you potentially 2 to 10 years in prison. One more call about you walking by a house, showing up somewhere where they are, sending a message, whatever it is, however it is, then you're gonna be back in here, and I'm gonna ask your probation officer to file an MTRP. If you're not paying the money and we're not getting the victim of this paid back, then you might as well be sitting in prison. So it's time for you to get busy. You've been on probation for 2.5 years.
Make a budget. I want that done. Quickly. I want you to have a job. Quickly, and I want you to start making payments, because what happens is if you don't start doing everything you're supposed to, Orange is going to send your case back to Jefferson County. If they do that, 2 options. 1, a motion to revoke your probation because you can't do what you're supposed to do over there. 2, you're going to have to come over here and report and do everything in Jefferson County. So transportation and all of that's an issue with just getting around locally. It's going to be a big issue. You have to come back here. Understood? All right. This is it. You're on 0 tolerance at this point. Get it all taken care of, where you're going to be. Right back in here. All right. Thank you. Thank you, sir.